Hello my people, how una dey? Hope una dey fine. Una do what una take help me to dey share, comment, like God bless una. I really appreciate una o. My people, as I dey waka dey go, this one na breaking news. As I dey waka dey go now, I can see this post o. I can still see this video where I go play for now. We wan come analyze am. About say, he feel like his heart don't break. About a heart will no wa breaking. He will egbe koke. Oh yeah, pack am. Join her together, put on. Had to go a break here. Of your man in Nefia, of Bobbe Vafi. I make enough your mama, Negi Baloma. Of your man in Nefia, of Bobbe Vafi. I make enough your Negi Baloma. Ah, of your man in Nefia. They never even touch you, you're the cry. When. What is going on? Who they beat you? Na don't know igbo wena. Niya gbe mi ju akara. Ije o. Wali so yi na tin ya gbe mi ju evie kwe a. Ije o. Wali so yi na tin ya gbe mi ju ohun a. Ije o. Hey so that's when you just dey start. Am I somewhere where was so? I don't know where bekedo ade o. I don't know human beings. I don't know to managbon. They be on managbon. My people, this video, so now just the watch, I'm gonna just the share them for me. He get this audio where he be say, I seen a video, this video where he be say about do. I go play for now, me with the analyzer. About my swing. A hearty where break it. What break it? I bet pick up. Those people where they do since then, their heart no break. Their heart still make me can on our way, on our tight, on our river. I made there where me rock, but I hearty where I break. Tony Kabaka, heart okay. What better not wake be on a mudiak boy? You not remember the time when you stand for Obazee back? You say, carry on, my governor, carry on. You are doing it well, carry on, right on. Obazee, on a where I go do it my son. I will do it my son. On a gele carry on. On a go over the hotel. A heart organa ye mudia, on my shake. On a mudia. I want your back and wet to be and I had to when I break umenea. Uzuo. They can heart when I break. Come on, pack any heart in way when John die. Meme. Oh, where heart ye break. Eh? The sumo this in no way or soon. Not even happen. One and no man now. Nothing happen, eh? Una never know this of Betty one of UK. Nothing happen. Abbas way if he come and can't tell us say Obazee don't use those states on to abroad. Now I no go fit come plan something come they tell una say he had to just break make una for the pity you see person like me I know the pity person like you because I'm an agbon oh well you can do a day we not even near you you not even remember when you tell a parent amigo now when they lawa umejere na that time Obazee dey your back he can't tell you right down you can't hey we can't tell you so but not be so they say they do politics no they do like this you say our mat they smell they come we enter us then we say okay Obazee go come out one day not go there forever you say na lie you say Obazee don't buy that those states where no Obazee you see you just the main one say your heart break. As I just see the post, he said they don't enter a angry store where be say put for them. Mona no mind na lie the lie. It can only learn to learn mona defense. So una no know the kind of work whereby they work that time the time we go South Africa. Where is the joy? You don't want no na competition. Una see wetin then. Na so then they do all these people. How of your me fear? Na so then they do. How of your me fear in your wow? Iya ga igbe kagbu don egbe no ri eko gbe no keko de kon de do mi o iya gbe nwa wa be ri ya wa koko gbe me niyan ima wi yan ni ropa de kon de do pity me you come pity them o ma be ni meje yi pity inu e awa agonu we ma de ri e me ne ruwe ka ni ya isi o ya bolu egbe iri e akpi ko iri ni ati ege what here eyin ni no to ni what here that pepper we de no wa to ni iri e vion we kia iri e jo wa so kian Itama when we no we rabati eri we ha we. It's not a curse, it's a blessing. A blessing wa no. Eru we na tu we tama we. Eni na eri we ni ne about come out. I see that video. I was ashamed of myself. He can't come out. He said now only now he do. He said they don't they tell the papa say me papa wrong. Una see where the papa talk and say make it wrong. They say make it wrong. Shebi papa come tell and say my pikin what you do to that picture? E no good. Me wey born you I no fit do that kind thing. Go delete am. Instead of her to come and say make una no vex so I don't know say go vex all of now. Even my daddy don't even tell me say make I delete am. Why gui? He want a where near te guanjo. He might also know what about not do like that. He say papa no reach to talk to her. Osa no boy gimaju he might be more down. Omo no me mafia ne. Well, any no thank God say when they won't mock me ya. Me no where are the joy. Everywhere they wear batty. He say bo. That boy ye. When I wear him and then where is you wearing? You go see test time. You go see as it be. You go test time because one more Dion no zoo and you be. Or more Dion no you no the other bacon. Where it be say now let you want do politics where be say they can't use the mama te si one. Imagine mu where. Imagine mu where ku where kijima no muju wa no where. No, this kind thing not good. Obazee now there for America, he there for his IC, he they enjoy with his family. You see where they use Obazee testing or his family? The answer is no. Now you, now they use that. Now you they use testing. Then you carry your mama. Omagbo egbe, or more down. May we listen to what they talk. Oh yeah, talk and may we hear. What was on
First, you called me the way they bring down my fence. And you told me that fence was not, say you suspect it's not ordinary.
Yes, because that morning when I come out for house, they go walk. That fence was there, first of all. And my friends, they have with me that period. They still stay with me. We're like 3. All of us are lawyers. When they were leaving in the morning, because I drive.
Yes, guys. It's past 10. I still in bed. Because yesterday afternoon, my manager called me, Joshua. I think it was even the conference call with Kemi. Kemi is my staff, very senior staff in my office. So I shocked. Not they have for they just had for group call. Normally, they even hardly call me. They gave me a message. So I said a group call. So I don't know. So I joined. I accepted the group call. Kemi is not in Benin. Kemi traveled to Lagos for her own personal matter. So my boy said, just reach office. So the main office, where they locked the office, I said, open now, they suspect something. But the main of my main office, my own office, there was all our equipment. The very secure door. So they come beat the door leads to my office. Say, get to manipulate the door open. So he checked around. He was shocked. You know, since this whole campaign crisis, threat to my life, threat to my business, this thing, they also let me go to my office, go scatter my office, scatter my house. And I told them, but I'm not going to go office all the time. I'm not going to go office all the time because I'm not in Nigeria. That does not mean I will just discard that. So people have to be very careful because these APC guys, they are too desperate. If you all say, boys, come into our office, they'll pitch that, destroy their things. So they have no way to go office unless it's very, very important. You understand? So he checked and he checked. He gave me reports of all the stolen equipment and the expensive ones that they go for. But what they call surprise me, I say. So far, I can't go good again with the office. You know, media office, they only charge old.
So even the people where even enter your office, they come they look for something where they're expensive to carry. If person go thief for somewhere where go thief, it should be go they do as I get me we just quit do and me come out. Okay, they can't even they select the one where they want carry. This is your story, eh? You don't say I dare yet to analyze and Reggie, you don't arrange and finish. And make people come they pity you. Oh, me pity you. What? Matter. Who want pity you? Me. Wazua. Ma where your business you. Oh yeah.
We also they work on it. Go for the one. They don't touch those ones. They don't go for our receipts. People know how they work. Those people who take the live stream for events, want to say, now about that get the best live stream. So they tell me yesterday. I was busy. So I have to say, I beg, we'll discuss that. No, get the head down. You know what I'm trying to tell you?
However, those people where go thief, they still they call they look for the one way to the live stream. That wash out about they call they look for the one way to the live stream, the important one. So now that one they can carry. Okay, we I'm expert. Let the pity you will explain tire, no evidence.
They look to my office. As they drop content, as they do video, as they drop medicine, all this money. As I wake up, the reality. Confess, okay. They really look come my boy. This way they tell me yes, I'm true to say yes. So where are you now? In the police station. Okay. So I can go Amazon. I want to wait.
So basically, can't tell you say they can't thief for your store. You can say I beg, no problem. Problem not them. I go do my content. So when you can't wake up, you can't say make you kukuma call. This is what they tell me not true. You say yes, so that moment you don't just say they thief for there. For it. Hey, about go cook am again. But be ya labor any Omaga. You see this one? You know
I still in bed. I can't go Amazon. Go check the current price of things when they do so.
You just don't go Amazon.
One the camera. I bought a camera in 2017. I buy that camera.
But you see this your cooking of a thing. It not done. Because it dey spoil belle. Wetin not done, not the good to eat. Instead of you to tell your Mangolo fans, all this having no the both away be say you they deceive since all this years. Say Obaseki do this one, Obaseki is a great one. Obaseki don't do this one. The road don't stay don't talk to abroad though. No light oh, no this one. You deceive all of them. Instead of you to tell them say, may they donate for you. Say you want buy camera. You call they like who can say they go thief for them. About who when you call meet us for this abroad though. You call meet us for this abroad though. So you just can't run, go Amazon. They thief something. Oh God, oh. Then you said they thief your camera. When I want to Amazon, you can't go screenshot them. Can't put them for yes. Say, more and see what they thief for. Now their price be this. Now the price be this one. You for just tell us now. Say you define donation. Maybe they can't donate for you. They gonna do for you. All those one where be say they not know what they want use their money to do. They are they go suffer. They can't give you the money. They go still donate for you. Because if they break, you go sit down for his ass. Update. You forgot talk that one. We forgot the year. This your the way you cook, so you not done, not the sweet. Why you not cook and well? Oh yeah, take him on give my home.
650,000. As we speak, that camera is over 3 billion. That's just one. You cannot talk. Me, I first of all, I bring my first now for public social media. Because many people don't make something for social media space. They use their personal issue, they extort people. But they can play one voice note. We don't know what they go through.
My people, those of you way listening to Abat and una believe, Abat we feel deceive everybody. Say Obaseki, he do something. Abat can carry his family, consider for UK. Obaseki do something, Abat consider for UK. According to Abat. If Obaseki, when kuna wageze jo Abat ye. Abat na the number 1419. If they find way, koni. I want to buy camera. Don't tell them say you want buy camera. No need to they come they cook all this one. When you come they cook can. One leg, you they cook can. It not done. Okay. Oh yeah.
I want to quit. Just have my life back.
Where you go?
Over here is first.
Hareji.
This fence close to the security side. You follow, but from my assessment, when I wait person opposite hit or something, it's not natural. Maybe I thought this morning, not the day like this morning.
Okay.
Anytime it will just stay happen. Because the way the thing fall, it's not really like waiting just by itself fall.
Okay, they call it fall.
I don't know.
Send me video. They go put up my face. Fuck my man. The first will never finish. Ah, no, they come so. Sir.
He don't say you there. He don't say you don't tell her.
Jeffrey.
But we don't fair they do all these things. You don't know, say you come meet us for this abroad though. If I just they do so time, may you call. When we call if you were, now you the recorder. Now they call you so. Laowa uzuwa bagmo.
Hello? Jeffrey. How you did now? Okay. And the record is correct. I was actually doing video where your call just entered now, so I'm recording your conversation.
Hey.
You hear me so? First, you called me the way they take down my fence, and you told me that fence was not. Say you suspect, say it's not ordinary.
Ah, it cause suspect.
Yes, because that morning when I come out for house, they go walk. That fence was there first of all, and my friends they have me that period. They stay with me when they like leaving house. All of us was lawyers. When we leave in the morning, I drive. We see nothing happen to that fence. Now the fence comes out from according to them also. When they came, because it was like 4, maybe close like 6. When they came home that day, they said they didn't notice anything like that. So the because house was past that side.
Yes.
You go know when anything like that happen. If your mind not there, if you see something like that happen, you can't catch your attention.
Yes.
They said they did not see anything like that. It was when I was coming in, maybe after 6 to 7. I was shocked. They have and then call me and tell me this kind of thing happen. And then they call and then we say like that to say because when they don't come, anything happen like that. Then one mama when they sell down the road. Because when I go back to her say if I come work, they just break our affairs. Nice I said so surprise shop because that's not what they say we get to environment. So I said just they have that just go here you wait here.
Okay, which one? You said we are allowed the process so people come meet somebody ask them about me for my house.
No. The other said was the other day when the TV from back.
Yes.
Una yeah. He said you talk say somebody come they ask for her. He said no. This arrange no enter. It not sweet. It not sweet at all.
When the TV from back, the battery, and all those things
They looked at parents speak things, loot things for the compound. They talk like that. Let's see the carry.
Arrange.
Phone, bed, water, gas, everything. Everything. Even all those things that change for iron and everything.
Go reach pot where they tell the cook. They can still carry am for her bat house. Ko. But where you go hide those things? Now bat say make them go hide down. No, why is the joy? Why my batty? Hide the laptop. Hide the laptop. Where you tell them make they go hide down. Don't no go where we cook right now. We not done so. Go reach a kuye everything they just pack am for your house. Hiyo salobwa.
Okay, now, all this is, you know what the thing will make me I always overlook because I don't want to make it like say that my personal problem I carry. You need to do a police report on all these things. It's not ordinary. You know, just someone call you say they go loot my office too. Okay, yesterday, okay, now I want to check my dad. Okay, you follow just my dad's house.
Yes, let me drive now.
You know,
Shona, yeah. Abba talking for years saying that they threaten the papa. That audio wanna listen where be say papa Abba talk. Una hear anything for inside there where papa talk said that they threaten her? The answer is no. It just audio where he sent go give about Ogbeti. Tell am say wetin you do e no good. It's against our tradition. Why you do this kind thing? They no good for for Benin people to see say you carry our monarch. You call the gbegumanya, wa gbegumanya. Una hear where papa for talk and say iya gwalinye here. The answer is no. Now but they threaten the papa oh. If papa say you work at me there you na so you tell me that they say make I come out for house. I say I know they come out. Now but oh. Now but now if you don't do the something finish, you go now even they tell the papa say make the papa they run come out for house. Nobody reach the papa place so nobody tell them say anything oh. That audio now papa just sit down. Send down go give and say if you want buy us now, good though, because be like say you know they hear our word again. We dare your hand though if we buy now you now buy us. About now, they threaten the papa. Una hear anything for inside there? Those of una wey not the hear bini, make una find somebody wey go tell una wetin they talk for inside there. Now wetin they talk now, wetin papa talk now they tell una so. Now about they tell the papa run no, papa I don't do this one. Just they run they go. If papa say no they go anywhere, I dey my house. If you do something, say me they want to carry me. I dey here, me they come. Sure now they understand about Tori gbe. Tori gbe.
You know what time you follow? Okay. They check that one seriously. I'll call you for that one. I can tell you what to do. That was you see, you then the way for see the escalate to go ask straight up for color. So nobody can say about the other guy. I don't know if you follow Joshua. Why you don't tell me say you did? Why you don't tell me say you do all this? Why you don't tell me you follow Joshua? Go. Now, Joshua not call years ago. Joshua called yesterday saying they're going to lose this office. Call Joshua now in the police station. Come to position.
If they find way want to run for all this matter, about you go nowhere, sit down for inside here. Sit down. Now make can come say, they don't go do this one for the office, so they don't go do a house, so the thing don't they you understand? How you want to come out, make sure not come. So if they find one way and another to say they don't go thief my thing, they don't go my store, they don't do this one. Maybe they listen. You say now. People will not get sense like they talk to.
They go to CID. Call him. Call Joshua now. He's going to CID. Go meet up for CID. You hear me? You hear me?
Areji.
I don't hear you. I just go cut her.
Hey! Areji. It is me. Oh my God. Maybe I know my guy, man.
I'll let go of the
Hey! Of your baby nephew.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
I said, you call Joshua. He didn't go to CID, you meet him up.
Okay, sir.
Hey, yeah. He said, only God will save her.
You don't forget about that report where he said to me. One of these.
Obazee, they enjoy. When I'm moving.
One of these.
Oh, move on again and rent.
So many things for my phone, you know, many things for my phone. This is why they go through.
About a man,
So during the heat of that last year campaign,
this would not.
I hear on social media. I don't come on social media to seek sympathy, validation. I just they solve. I mean, my parents when they say they want to go meet Papa, say simple too.
Nah lie, you can't lie. About you totally lie. Why you they lie like this? Person like me, not the way you go talk, come out for months where I will can't believe you. As far as say, Obazee cannot do anything for that in those states. Where you can't they tell us, say, Obazee just they do something, they go. If person just go bring Wetin, they not do, brother Mike, now you beat and put. You remember? Oh, you don't forget. When brother Mike come and say, see Rodo, you can't run. You can't go meet him. Wetin make you give brother Mike money? Not be because I say, can't they open Obazee nyash with your nyash. Not be make you go give her money. May not come they talk again. And that one really can't keep quiet. We all notice, oh, well, there. We all notice everything. After you don't go meet brother Mike go meet our New Year's God will number seki. Brother Mike not come they talk about it. Don't take again. He can't forget to tell us what did they go on now. Now you want to tell us say me I can't believe you. Uzuo. Or me.
People never from my before I come out. They never go see them say that government vehicle. I don't get one single government vehicle for my house. One. The corona where Obazee gave me. The former PS, Julie, requested for it. And tell them where the corona they opposite Obazee. Where they pay the bottle. They go to the bottle for them. But it was told, and this guy they casting the budget law. They said the people are buying drive. The government bottle they want to carry. So if government say about this try about where down, we don't know you're the one to have God bless you. God know what you the face.
Hey.
Don't know what you the face.
So
as I check Amazon,
me I not say you mess.
This morning check the cost of. It is they loot.
Will you cease noise there? Will you cease noise? Tell your people, make them donate for you, say you want buy. Which one you call they tell us, say this one, the other one. Now so they threaten your papa. Bring the video near your threatening there. Your papa will be saying, wait, talk. You not talk anything about say, he just tell you say, you want buy also. Why you they do like this? Why you know they take my words? Now your papa talk for them. Why you call the changer for us? Why you call the changer for us? Who when you call they tell us, say, you want call they like come wash people brain. People like us, you know if you wash our brain before you pass this side. My corner, my why you go inside Google, come go carry this one, come. You want to tell them, say, see the price. Tell them, make they donate for you. See, pass ABC, they go do donation for you. I mean, normal Nigeria yao, make they give you. So which one you call them like on the banner? One name one about bon. Come they like on the how do I twist Come they twist and where? Twist and where? This food not done. Oh my God. Oh loreko, eba no my God, we loreko. And rejidan wazua because he want run come out now. Now he want do so. Not be like oh, he dey find way want to run. So when he go come use una brain, those of una way be say want go give her money, he go come buy this camera, he go change, he go come they do another thing. By yagbo yoto. Na no no. Egbe ma very na. We too know.
They cash me. That's a week like to do for bed so. Thank God for life. Most several police officers do their job. So my staff tell us, tell me, Sipa, they go need to involve Aina now. And I laugh. They say, no, this is not be church level. If Aina must involve, all of us will swear. Maybe no, within us, 95, or not for outside, they go. Everybody is suspects. That's the truth. But we'll see what the police will do. I want the management of the complex to cooperate with the police. Because CCTV camera did the complex, with the security, bank did the complex, and marketizing for complex, different businesses did the complex. So the complex managers, they know how much they pay. This is 3 years. I don't close the office. No one have not making money from there. But I don't want to leave my staff.
So security dead there. So how they can't enter about? Because if security there, people wait, they come out. You don't arrange to them, so now they pay all these things, security there, everything there, this one there. How they say enter there about? You tell us how they say enter there, how they say pack all those things, how they say do all this one. Jesus, Nigeria, na emahana. Nigeria, where you tell person say, give my plan name in na agbagae. Wo chera. I better go sit down. You know the
dead. Or make people say, you close the places. I don't want to be for my stuff. I don't want to work for my country. I don't close the office almost 3 years in the UK. I didn't pay them. All my staff, nobody was saying, I don't pay. It's 3 years now. I don't sack one. But what they do, they go office. I don't sack one. My list paid staff is 80,000 naira. That's the list paid. That's even on the bank to say, I said, no good, 80,000. On a good month, that's it. List staff, they earn 150, 200, 250.
Nah, money not there again.
So they eat, and they remember my staff, and they remember who was around me. Why we still running that office for?
You remember, said your brother were not smart. You know, say tell us, say you know they take care of Mosi. You know they take care of your father. So you just they pay that money to your staff. You know if they care. Well, that make you know if they care whether your papa even talk safe. Your mother no zo I mako. Now wow. Oh yeah, take him.
Okay, let's resume the number of staff we get. It's a UK.
No, Ragua.
So sometimes we do some of work. I've seen all of our office. We used to sort the office.
Now, about not the give person water drink.
Well, it's good. Now my team they loot. That's why some people they loot people things. Now my home they attack. That's why some people they attack people. Now they go after. That's why some people they go after anybody.
Umen, you don't forget Tony Kabaka hotel. Are you crazy? Where my way, emi no ma call agbona na ide oro. Eva ko no abati. Eva kwe, amo soro The time when you dey happy for Tony Kabaka, emi no wa cover agbona. Toro umae. You go explain tire, no evidence. Oh yeah, talk with the year.
I'm always on the side of the law. You understand? So you don't know easy. Sometimes I just want to shut down this Facebook. Now just walk away. Like if you see me for you say,
what can I bati? Oh, wait, you want shut down Facebook? Where you they go? I never use you to build page. Where you want to go? I dey tell una wetin bad they do for inside hand. Una the things, una they look me like this, say, Madam, enter house. Madam, shut up your mouth. Now, true, I did. Chona here and now say it talking. He says sometimes he go John one he want run. But you go nowhere. You go nowhere. Sit down for there. Sit down for there. Can't they give us updates? Update now you can't they give us. If come away now we no be kind style dog by you. No man ariye wo kamariye wo get there. You go here when you don't the young when now and you want run. You go nowhere. Uma way a life now. If person not do you anything, and una azom and ikpokpo. O salo bo mani ha or ha revenge. He get the way to the revenge. Egbe ma yo ho when ya. Egbe ma yo ho when ya. You call the way wow wapumi ade o. They don't go my office. They don't go my house. They don't go this one. Obaseki no see where you were. Where is Obaseki? Obaseki they enjoy. Any of Obaseki they not use the family testing in one down. But you way do politics. You carry put for heads. They can't use your mercy. Yana yesi one. I have yesi one. One or the other one down. Because of you, Omodion, no zuwa beya. Omodion no huwa beya. You say you want a task. Where they go? You go nowhere. You go sit down for this Facebook. Hey, to handle with social media. Sit down now. Politics don't finish. Instead of make you face another thing, una we here because of Esther no gree give you event where you say if they come, you go the organizer. Oh na la regbe. I bet you don't still forget. Because you know they remember. Now then they do you something. You know they do them. Now so you tell enter your body. Give me 20,000. Your mercy no way. Eruya la regbe. You don't remember. We there here. We they watch. We they listen. Now so you tell enter that one body. You not remember again. This is a doctor. Wetin do you? You know if you bring anything, come and say, now this one just do me. We see the time where be say you follow them one and day for UK when they come for event because they not gonna give you the contract. Una wa agbenya. Now make you the draw them. Wa sinya lege. Uga si obi ade lege. Imagine when say destiny. You go no mama. Na Esther o make gboweji and ya gbo ebe. Everybody will be said that they hear in name. About Obazee don't be a bad friend for that. And they do politics. Who be a bad friend? Nobody. Oh, Belinya yana soda hojinya ona kaninya ugbene no gbe ebo story the social media na. Una remember na? Abi una not remember? After when they don't do that election finish. When he carry Bosto come, he beat on a clear the Tori. That one no, Omatwa sing. Me no best that one not talk. Osa when no hold no. Abie Tony Kabaka no. Everybody see him. You, you just delay. You go explain tire. Where was the total explain. I no feel pity for you. Wow. Abia money I do pity na you. Where would they tell you that time? Say no be so they tell they do politics. You carry a pair and omigo na yak moloto. Una see logo lele yak. Now here we see am. So you want to consider now say they don't enter my store. They can't enter my house. They can't break the fence. Tell them say you want back camera. Say you want start another thing. We call they here. I don't call they tell us say they don't break your name. They don't enter. I don't know. Sometimes I just want me I just off the name. You go nowhere. Now when they use your mouth, sit sing. Now you want enter as well. You don't worry, they'll still use you to sing. Wait till your a life now with the talker for Bini. If you domani dia do ya pitan we. Then me if you mo we. Then we rabi jouer. Et les mo hami we bats. We say yo who abagbon. What are your hoy? Or more down. What you na last born not do? What your junior brother not do? We're not more dion. Una wazua. You say your pa no reach to talk to you. Ha! Thank God say you not be my family. Ik be na be ni him agbo. Yeah, is a boy. Ija we ya akpolo talk ya. What are your hoy? Mona, me love and like and share this video. Mona no verse the video long Mona because I say I they analyze and they play this he got we not remember to shave, you not remember to wash it. About where you love your kijima. I believe say you love your kijima because all your brain don't carry loads. Obazee ki we room for 8 years, they relax, they enjoy, they go. You walele ya just they enjoy. You we be said ori ye we be so wa bon we gbe lagbo ya. Come follow me chop. How about na kpesuru abo? Onwu ye mu yo to na amukia. Enye wa ye mukia na. Na so your mate do politics. Na so they do nyama. Mona baba my people help me to love and like and share this video for me. Mona no man now. Why is yo If they look for pity, one pity and one donate. If you want donate, one no feel lu wakwa. Una fit go donate, no concern me. But me no come here come they tell us say na they can't enter house. Na they can't name me. Na bye bye.